At Mainstream Technologies, our goal is to support all of our clients in the most efficient and effective way possible. With this in mind, the Client Portal streamlines the support process. The Client Portal is your gateway to Mainstream's technology support. To access it, navigate to the Mainstream Technologies website and click on Client Support in the upper right corner. You can also access it or even bookmark it in your browser at mainstream-tech.com/support. Click on the Client Portal button and enter your email address and password to log in. New clients will have their login credentials set up by Mainstream Support and will receive an email with steps to set your password. Once you have set your password, you will be able to access the Client Portal. New users can only be added by Mainstream Support. To add a new user for your organization, use the Client Portal to submit a ticket. Select I have a new employee in the Step 1 carousel. You will then be prompted to provide the necessary information for that employee to be set up in the system. If you have not been assigned a username by Mainstream Support, please send an email to support@mainstream-tech.com. Once logged in, you can access your account settings in the upper right corner of the page. From this section, you can edit your contact information, login information, and your password. The welcome screen gives you an overview of all of the features available to you. This includes open tickets, recommendations, a knowledge base specific to your organization, alerts, and an overview of your ticket activity. The tabs at the top of the page are used to navigate the portal. Based on your security settings, you may not be able to see all of the tabs we're showing you here. The Tickets tab gives you access to open and close tickets. The Projects tab is where you will find all of the information regarding specific projects. Not all security levels have access to the Projects tab. At this time, the Recommendations tab and the Knowledge Base tab are not used. The Configurations tab is where your machine-level network documentation can be found. The Reports tab gives you access to reports generated by Mainstream Technologies. Reports are based on your activity history. The Account tab is where you can find correspondence and service agreements. Creating a ticket. Creating a ticket is the best way to communicate with Mainstream Technologies since it is the foundation for all of the organizational documentation. We use the ticket to track issues through completion, to ensure timely response, and to provide insight via reporting into areas that may need more attention or review. To create a ticket, click on the Create Ticket button, which can be found at the top of every page. Use the carousel at the top of the screen to select the type of service needed. Fill in the ticket details, including the title and description of the issue. If necessary, you can also attach supporting documentation using the Attach Document button. You also have the option to add a due date for time-sensitive request. Select the emergency checkbox if the request is an emergency, and please follow up with a phone call if the issue is business critical. Confirm your contact details at the bottom of the ticket. If any changes need to be made, that can be done here. When your ticket is complete, click Submit at the bottom of the page. After submitting your ticket, you will receive an automated email confirmation from Mainstream Support. If you do not get a confirmation email, call the support number on the welcome screen. Once the ticket has been received, it will be placed in a queue and addressed in a timely manner. You will receive an email with your ticket status and our support engineer's response to your ticket. Be sure to read the response carefully. Some issues can be resolved quickly, while others may require more information from you. If a follow-up response is necessary, or you have further questions about an issue, you can respond directly to the email or respond through the Tickets tab in the Customer Portal. All of your tickets can be accessed via the Tickets tab. Each entry will have a brief synopsis of the issue, the ticket number, and the status. Statuses can range from in progress, which is a ticket that's currently in the queue and being worked by an engineer. Waiting on client is a ticket where more information is needed from the client. On hold is a ticket that has been suspended until further notice. Completed is the status of a successfully resolved issue. Canceled is a ticket or service request that has been withdrawn. Select a ticket and click on See Older Posts to view the entire history of each ticket. Once the issue is resolved, the ticket will be closed and you will receive an email informing you that the ticket has been closed. All of your closed tickets are available by selecting the Closed checkbox in the Status section of the Search box and clicking Search. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us at 501-801-6700 or send an email to info@mainstream-tech.com.